I feel like the atmosphere is really electric. I mean, listen to it right now, and this is the last day of the show.
Well, it's a great chance for us to gather new business and see what's new in the industry. See you at the next IT Expo.
We'll be here. Hey, it's Rich Tehrani with TMC. Thanks for watching. We're at ITEXPO 2018, Fort Lauderdale, Florida. On our program, Jamie Martino, Telecom Marketplace. How are you, Jamie?
I'm doing great, Rich. Thanks for having us.
Our pleasure. So tell me a little bit about your company. What are you guys up to?
Sure. What we do is we provide services to mid-size tech firms who've got some sort of disruptive technology. And what happens is I have about 12 years of CEO experience, as well as some of my partners do. And what we do is we help companies to get their solution, their platform for partnerships into the VP and above suite or the C-suite at larger corporations, typically enterprise customers or some of the carriers or cable operators, and give them that warm introduction and be able to create partnerships for them with these larger players that can be really, we call it rainmaker solutions, because it allows them to really get the type of deals that are going to be able to move the needle for their companies.
Very cool. And you were showing me a really slick interface last night. You want to describe that a little bit?
Yeah, so one of the things, one of our clients, for example, is a company called TrustSphere. And TrustSphere is in the relationship analytics space, right? And relationship analytics sits within the world of big data analytics, and then has three segments. It has risk analytics, sales analytics, and people analytics. And what it does is it allows a company to capture all of the data around employee usage of corporate devices, whether it's email or instant messaging, phone or mobile, captures that information, puts it into a big data analysis tool, and then it produces really interesting use cases and mapping of the relationships that are taking place inside a company and between a company and its customers.
So in terms of the kinds of people that would be helped by your solutions, can you describe them and how you help each group?
Yeah, so for Telecom Marketplace, we're looking for those really solid, disruptive technologies where we can help somebody get the type of deals that they want, get the CEOs in front of other CEOs, and be able to do that in an effective way. Like our value proposition there is that you're really looking at, for less than the cost of maybe an account rep, you're able to get a CEO level person who's providing some gravitas to the situation and helping you to move up market, right? On the TrustSphere piece, the interesting thing there is that can be used for compliance usage cases. It can be used for sales. So if you're a sales leader, some couple things you can do. You get a handover report. So if you have an employee who leaves, you can very quickly get a report on all of the people that employee has been in contact with over the last few weeks, and you can immediately call those folks before you end up losing customers in that situation. So that's a great use case. The other one is you can actually take communications usage data and pair it up next to your CRM. So when you're looking at opportunities with a particular customer, you can match not just the information that mostly is provided by the salesperson in the system, but you actually can match that up with actual usage data to see how your organization is actually interacting with that client and whether or not that interaction is consistent with the level of sale or the progress towards close that you'd expect.
Fantastic. What else should we know?
Well, I just think we're having a great time at the show. You always do a great job here, and what I would say is if you're looking to really grow your business, you're looking to get better meetings, you're looking to have a partner or CEO, get that advice, and be able to get in front of the right people, then go to telecommarketplace.net. telecommarketplace.net, and contact us, and we'll be happy to sit down and work out an opportunity that works for both parties.
Thank you.
Thanks, Rich.